architecture and well-manicured gardens add to its old-world charm. Ella, a small town nestled in the central highlands of Sri Lanka, is renowned for its stunning landscapes and laid-back vibe. Surrounded by verdant tea plantations and majestic mountains, Ella offers breathtaking views at every turn. Adventurous travelers can embark on hikes to popular spots like Little Adams Peak and Ella Rock, while nature enthusiasts can visit the Ravanna Ella Falls and Nine Arch Bridge. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us, and see you in the next one.